Hey guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my curly hair routine. I think my last curly hair routine was with blonde hair and stuff has big time changed. Again, if you are new here, I do have diva damaged hair. So about up to here is all new growth, but at the ends it is all fried, chemically damaged hair, which is why I ended up having to leave from blonde and go dark so that I could just kind of give my hair a little bit of a break and not have to apply bleach and everything because my hair was falling out, my scalp was bleeding, and I was having headaches. Thanks to Diva Curl. At the ends, my hair is just split. I really need to chop it all off, but I just can't do that yet. So, and maybe soon I'm thinking about just like cutting it all off and leaving it in braids for a little bit. Anyways, we're gonna head to the bathroom and we are going to get started. So because I typically only wash my hair once a week, I shampoo it every time I wash it, and I use this cleansing shampoo from Paul Mitchell. It is really great at clarifying your scalp and your hair, and I find that it doesn't leave my hair too dried out and tangled. And I also use this little scalp massager. It just really helps me lift up all the dirt that's on my hair from the product. Then I rinse it out and I follow through with this Biolage Fiber Strong conditioner. This conditioner is really great. It's awesome for hair that has extreme breakage and split ends, which is what my hair has. And then I comb through with a wide tooth comb from the bottom to the top and just try to gently take my knots out of it. I look like I'm in pain here. I don't know why, but I'm really not. After that, I rinse it out. And then I go ahead and I follow through with my deep conditioner. So the deep conditioner I use is from Aveda Hair Growth. I love this deep conditioner because it's all natural. It's just one of the few deep conditioners that I can use that I feel like really moisturizes my hair. I love all of her products. They're amazing. I'm actually probably going to end up switching everything over to her because it's just all natural. I really want to make sure that I'm not leaving a lot of chemicals in my hair because thanks to Diva Curl, I'm very paranoid. So her stuff is amazing. Then I leave it for 10 minutes. I put a shower cap on, do my thing in the shower, and just let it sit. And then I go ahead and I rinse that deep conditioner out. My hair ends up feeling so soft. It's an amazing deep conditioner. I love that deep conditioner. And then I go through and I just re-detangle my hair because my hair is just so damaged. It just ends up knotting up pretty easily. Kind of just sucks. And then after that, we are heading to style time. So I leave my hair soaking wet. I use this Redken curvaceous product. All my products are very lightweight because I have a fro, so I want to make sure that it's not super weighed down. I just apply this all through my hair. I use the raking method. This is one of my go-to products. I swear by this thing. And it's actually not that expensive, so that's great. And then this is the Marc Strictly Curl Cream. I have brought this up, and probably it's one of the staples that stay in my curly hair routine, like no matter what. I'm always using this product and it's super cheap, so I love this one. I find that it's a little bit more moisturizing. It has a thicker consistency. And then I follow through with Aveda Flaxseed Gel. This is a very lightweight gel, but it does have a nice hold to it and a good shield. I live in Florida, so I am very aware of humidity, and that gel does a really good job. And then I go through and I just I take a brush and I kind of just separate out the curls. I don't really curl them too much because I don't want the curl pattern to be different, but I kind of just try to neaten up my top curls so it looks a little bit better. Then I run some more product through my ends because I want to make sure that's very saturated at the bottom, and so that I kind of decrease my shrinkage there because I am the queen of shrinkage. So I try to put a lot of product there. And then I diffuse my hair on warm. Diffusing takes my hair almost an hour and a half. My hair loves to hold on to water, so it takes a little minute, but I just try to diffuse it on warm. Usually I use heat protectant, but I ran out. And then after that, I go through and I stretch my hair first with the diffuser cap on. just kind of make sure that I stretch my hair, because if I don't stretch my hair is going to be super tiny. I'm sure it's probably not good that I do that, but I just can't. It just stays way too tiny. So I go through and I do that. I do my whole head. And then after that, I take the diffuser cap off and I apply the direct heat. But I only keep it on like warm and the medium setting, so it's not super hot. And then I only do it towards the new growth. I don't do it on my ends because I just don't want to put direct heat on that. And then people always ask me like, oh, how do you get your fro to stay up? I really make sure that I blow dry the top part kind of with my head down and like lift it up so that it ensures it gets that volume. It's vital for that. And then this too also helps with my hair kind of staying up. This is the Kendra hairspray. I swear by this hairspray. It is a little bit pricey, but it's really good. And you see me shaking my head like that because it will clump your hair up and get sticky if you don't move your head around. So that's why I do that, to make sure like the curls don't stick together. And then this is my picking technique. I don't know if it's all in my head, but I swear I have to do this method. I use like a wider pick first to kind of just like pull at my root, and then I fluff out the ends a little bit. This is like my first stage of picking. And then after that, I follow through with a smaller one to just kind of like fine tune, pick through my hair, I guess. This is the little fine tooth one. I swear by this one. I got it from Walmart. It's really cheap. I will leave the link down below because I think Amazon also sells it. But this one is awesome. And I think I did not show it off camera, but I also used a black one too. I think I did that later on. But yeah, I used 3 different picks. It's pretty vital. And then I go through and I diffuse once more because typically my hair is still a little bit wet. And then we seal all of that moisture in with some, I believe this is vitamin E oil. Yeah, vitamin E oil. I just kind of use that to kind of seal in my moisture because my hair gets dry really fast. And that's pretty much it. I have major shrinkage on day 1, but day 2 and 3 it just gets really big, so. Alright guys, that is it for my hair routine. I will leave all the products that I used down in the description box down below if you guys are interested in checking them out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well as to subscribe, and all my social media will be down in the description box down below if you are interested in checking that out. But I will see you guys next time.